Hi everyone, it's Carl here. I'm going to do a taste test review of cinnamon Mentos. Let's try one of these out. Pretty good. I like the idea that they put cinnamon flavor in the Mentos mints. I like the gum too, but I think the gum's a little bit better than the mint. Because there is if you've seen the early video of mine, they have cinnamon Mentos gum as well, which is a little bit softer. That's why I like the gum better. So I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10 because I really like it, but kind of like the gum better. So yeah, let me just think when you try this, yes or no. And thanks for watching. Bye now.